Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying essentials. Log into your Trade W account, confirm two-factor authentication, and ensure your funding source is connected. Once done, set clear risk limits, decide how much dollar per trade and a max daily loss because protecting capital matters more than chasing gains. Next, pick the instrument type, stock, forex, or crypto, and check trading hours and liquidity. Make sure to record these choices. They drive order types, margin, and how quickly you can enter or exit positions. You now place the trade. First, choose the order type, market for speed, limit for price control, stop for protection, and understand the trade-off between execution and price. Then define your entry and exit, set a clear price target, a stop loss, and consider a trailing stop to lock profits. Allocate capital deliberately. Scale in or out using fractions like 1/4 or 1/2 of your intended position to reduce timing risk. As you execute, monitor fills and confirm margin implications so nothing surprises you. You finish by closing positions according to your plan, exit at the target, reverse the position, or use time-based rules if a trade underperforms. After closure, review the trade log for fees, slippage, and net P&L so you learn and iterate. If something goes wrong, orders stuck, fills missing, or unexpected balance, first check connectivity and order status, then reconnect or cancel as needed. If that fails, contact Trade W support with order ID and timestamps. They can trace execution and resolve a.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.